for this class today, then it is better to improve your knowledge on reasoning and arithmetic. Okay, then I ask Rajesh sir to take today's class.
Good morning all. Welcome to my class. This is Rajesh Kashojala. As continuation with the previous class, we are discussing about triangles and its properties. Triangles and its properties. And again, a topic we are going to take here is exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. First of all, what is exterior angle? What is exterior angle? In the name itself we have here exterior. Exterior nothing but outside. Outside of whom? Outside of a triangle. Outside of a triangle. Let us draw a triangle here. A, B, C. How many angles you are finding here? Angle A, angle B and angle C. These are interior angles. Now we are going to get exterior angle. Then what we are doing here? Just we are extending this BC here. One more angle is formed here. What it is? ADC is formed here. AC and D. ACD angle formed here. So that is nothing but exterior angle of triangle ABC. Small problem, I think video, is it clear? Someone is saying that is not clear because it's raining outside today. So even a light is also a little bit. Okay, I'll continue. So, right. What we can say here? Exterior angle, outside of triangle. Outside of triangle. Now here, angle ACD is exterior angle. Of triangle ABC. Observe here, ACD is exterior angle of triangle ABC. Now this is outside of triangle and forming at C. Now two more vertices we have here, A as well as B. Now can we have exterior angles yet A and B also? Yes, we can have. So number of vertices 3, we will get number of exterior angles also 3. Taking a triangle ABC, now we'll see how many exterior angles are forming here. Just extending here, it is giving angle ACD here. Next, extending CA, this is E, angle is forming here BAE. This is A here, BAE. One more we have here, we are extending this, and here also one angle is forming here, and this is, make it as F. So angle CBF are exterior angles. So how many exterior angles are forming here? 3 angles are forming here. What are those? First one is angle ACD. ACD. Second one is BAE, angle BAE. Third one from C, CBF. So CBF are exterior given here. Observe once again. Extending CA, we are getting one more angle BAE. Extending this AB, we are getting one more angle CBF. So these are nothing but exterior angles. Okay. Now coming to exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. What is exterior angle property? How it is going to be? Let us see here. Let us see here what it is. Just drawing a triangle and extending one side here. This is A, B, C and D. What is the statement we are going to write of exterior angle property? Exterior angle property, what is the statement? Observe here, this angle is an exterior angle. ACD is an exterior angle. Okay, so this exterior angle, what it is doing now? This is equals to whom? Just opposite interior angles A and B. So we can say here, what is the statement we can give here? An exterior angle is equals to sum of opposite its interior angles. We can say here exterior angle is equals to sum of its opposite interior angles. So the same statement we will write here. What it is? The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its opposite interior angles. So what is the statement we can write here? The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its opposite interior angles. That means what it is? What we to prove here? To prove angle ACD is equals to angle A plus angle B. What is ACD? ACD is exterior angle of triangle ABC. What are A and B? A and B are interior angles, but these are opposite to whom? Opposite to ACD. So that's why we are saying here angle ACD is equals to angle A plus angle B. We have to prove this now. Okay. Now, one more angle, interior angle we have here. This one. Name this as 1, this as 2, 3 and 4. Now, what we have to prove? ACD is equals to angle A plus angle B. What we are taking now? We know angle 3 and angle 4 form a linear pair. What these are forming? A linear pair. A linear pair nothing but pair of two angles which lines side by side adjacent to each other on a line. So this is linear pair. How many we have here? Pair. Pair nothing but two angles. How many? 3 and 4 both. So what this becomes? This form a straight angle, and we can say sum of two sum of two angles which are forming linear pair is nothing but 180 degrees or supplementary we can say here. So therefore angle 3 plus angle 4 is equals to 180 degrees. Make this as equation number 1. Angle 3, nothing but those angles are supplementary. Supplementary nothing but sum of the angles is going to be 180 degrees. From angle sum property, of a triangle, we know angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. Triangle, even we'll mention the triangle here, triangle ABC, we know angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. Now at angle A, what is the angle we have here? Angle 1. At angle B, angle 2. At angle C, angle 3. So instead of ABC, we'll write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degrees. Make this as equation number 2. Now you observe here, equation 1 equals to 180 and equation 2 also equals to 180. So whenever these RHS, both RHS are equal, even we can equate LHS also. So we'll write here from 1 and 2, angle 3 plus angle 4 is equals to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. These both can be cancelled simply, 3 and 3 eliminated. So remaining what it is, angle 4 is equals to angle 1 plus angle 2. Now from the diagram, if you are observing, what is angle 4? Angle 4 is outside of the triangle, nothing but exterior angle. Of whom? Triangle ABC. What it is? Angle ACD. So instead of 4, I am going to write here angle ACD is equals to. Now what is angle 1? Where angle 1 is forming? At A. Angle 2 forming at B. Now angle A plus angle B. So this is the requirement we have to prove here. ACD is equals to angle A plus angle B. So what we can say now? We can say that the exterior angle of a triangle is equals to sum of its opposite interior angles. So this is nothing but exterior angle property of a triangle. Got it all of you? Exterior angle property of a triangle. Okay, once again we'll discuss here exterior angle. Exterior angle nothing but outside of the triangle connected to the triangle. Okay, connected to the one of the vertices. Next, what is, how many exterior angles will form here? 3 exterior angles will form for each triangle. 3 exterior angles at 3 vertices. Okay. Now, what is exterior angle property? Exterior angle property nothing but what we can say here, the exterior angle of a triangle. Of course, I am taking it C. Now we may take it A, we may take it B, even though it is the sum of equals to sum of its opposite interior angles. So we can say here the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its opposite interior angles. That means what we should prove here, ACD is equals to A plus B we have to prove. Now according to that linear pair, 3 and 4 are forming a linear pair. So 3 plus 4 is 180. Got it? Next, from angle sum property, A plus B plus C is 180, nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 180. Equating these both, 3 plus 4 is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3, 3 eliminated. So 4 is equals to 1 plus 2. What is 4? ACD. 1 is A, 2 is B. Okay. So like this, we are proving exterior angle property of a triangle. So if you want to write, once again you can write here. What we can write? Exterior angle of a triangle is equals to sum of its opposite interior angles. The statement we can write here, the exterior angle of a triangle is equals to sum of its opposite interior angles. Okay, on base of this exterior angle property, we'll solve some problems. You may copy or you may take a screenshot of all this. That's why I am stopping for a minute. A triangle is given, observe here. In these three interior angles are given x, y and 60 pi. One exterior angle is given 135. We need to find x and y values here. Okay, very simple it is. First of all, by exterior angle property. What we can write? Already what we know? Exterior angle property. What it is saying? An exterior angle is equals to sum of its opposite interior angles. So by exterior angle property of a triangle, what we can write now? We can write x plus 65 is equals to 135. X plus 65 is equals to 135. This implies x is equals to 135 degrees minus 65 degrees. 135 degrees minus 65 degrees. So which is giving us 70 degrees. So we got the first value x. Now what do we need the second value? Y value we need. So to get the y value, how many types we can do? We can use two types. One is angle sum property we can use, or else linear pair also we can use. But the simple thing is linear pair is simple thing here. Observe here, y and 135 will form a linear pair. We know y and 135 degrees form a linear pair. So therefore, y plus 135 is equals to 180, or else y is equals to 180 minus 135, which is giving us 45 degrees. So like this we can find the given values whatever we required, x and y here, and we have used here two properties. One is exterior angle property of a triangle and second one is linear pair. And of course here you can use angle sum property of a triangle also. How it is? Just x value already we know 70. 70 plus 65 135, and remaining value is same 180 minus 135 only we will get. Even by using the property also it gives us 45. We will go to the second problem. Okay, if BAD is equals to 3 times of ABD. Observe here, what is given? BAD, nothing but this angle. BAD is this angle. 3 times of ABD, this angle. Now, what we have to prove here? What we have to find here? Angle CDB. Angle DCB, of course it is given. DBC better will take here. And one more angle, angle ABC. Observe the problem. ABC triangle is given. One more BD line segment taken here, and this ADB is making 104 degrees, ACB is making 65 degrees, and one more even what it is, angle BAD is 3 times of angle ABD. So we are going to solve this. Given angle BAD is 3 times of angle ABD. Let ABD is equals to x. So angle BAD will be, if this is x, this is going to be 3 times of x, nothing but 3x. So write down this is x and this is 3x. Now what we are going to find, angle CDB we are going to find here. Angle CDB, this one we need here. And again observe those two angles, 104 and this one. Angle 1, if you want to write, you can write angle 1. Angle 1 and 104, both are forming a linear pair again. From diagram, angle CDB and angle ADB will form a linear pair. So therefore angle CDB plus ADB is equals to 180 degrees. Angle CDB can be given as plus, what is ADB is 104 is equals to 180 degrees. So angle CDB can be given as 180 minus 104. It is nothing but 76 degrees. So angle CDB value is 76 degrees. Okay. Coming to next, what it is, we have to find DBC, and after that what we need to find, we need to find ABC value. Okay. From triangle ABD, x plus 3x plus 104 is equals to 180 degrees. ABD triangle I am taking, x plus 3x plus 104 is nothing but 180 degrees. Why we are taking like this? Why? Because it's nothing but angle sum property of a triangle. So if you want to write, you can write angle sum property. So 4x plus 104 is equals to 180 degrees, or else 4x is equals to 180 minus 104, or else 76 degrees. So x is 76 by 4, or else 19 degrees. Then automatically what about 3x? 3x is going to be 3 into 19, which is giving us 57 degrees. Is forming, angle A is forming as 3x. So therefore angle 180 minus 57 is, how much it is going to be? 122 degrees. Nothing but how much we are going to get? 58 degrees we are going to get here. But already x value we have. How much x is equals to we got? 19 degrees we got here. 19 degrees we got, but total how much are getting here? 58 degrees total we are getting now. Then what about this angle? If it is 19, total is 58. What about this? 58 minus 19. Now what it is? Angle DBC is equals to, what we can write? Total angle, nothing but angle ABC. ABC total minus ABD. 58 minus 19, which is giving us 39. So what we need? ABC. How much we got? 58 degrees we got. Next, angle DBC, 39 degrees we got. And of course, in regular maths, we have to do all these things. But in competitive exams, we need not to do all these things. Simply we have to find out, and by the diagram, and here only we can find all this very easily. Next, one more problem we are going to take here. What is given? One of exterior angles of a triangle is 125 degrees and its opposite interior angles are in the ratio 2:3. Find the angles. Very simple problem. Let the opposite interior angles be, what is given? 2:3 ratio. So 2x and 3x. If you want right, you can mention here in the ratio 2:3. By exterior angle property, what we can say here? 125 can be equals to 2x plus 3x. Why? Because 125 is exterior angle and 2x and 3x are its opposite interior angles. So what we are getting now? We are getting 5x is equals to 125 and x is nothing but 125 by 5, which is giving us 25 degrees. So first angle 2x nothing but 2 into 25, which is giving us 50 degrees. Second angle 3x nothing but 3 into 25, which is giving us 75 degrees. So like this we have to find the given angles, required angles. Next, one more small proof I am going to take, and with that we will close this class. Show that the sum of exterior angles of a triangle ABC is 360 degrees. What we have to prove? We have to prove all the exterior angles, sum of all the exterior angles. How many exterior angles we have? 3 exterior angles is nothing but 360 degrees. Very simple problem. Assuming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many angles are forming here? 6 angles are forming. 3 interior, 3 exterior. From the diagram, what we can write here? Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 are interior angles. Angle 4, comma, angle 5, comma, angle 6 are exterior angles. By what the property we have? Exterior angle property. Of triangle. What we can write? Angle 4 is equals to angle 5 1 plus angle 2. Angle 5 can be written as, observe here, this is angle 4 opposite interior are 1 and 2. So angle 4 is equals to 1 plus 2 we are writing. Next angle 5, for angle 5 what are opposite? 2 and 3 are opposite. So 2 plus 3 we are writing. Angle 6, for 6 what are opposite? 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3. Is it visible to you? Or else we'll take here. Adding 1, 2 and 3 equations. What you are getting? Angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equals to angle 1 plus angle 2, angle 2 plus angle 3, angle 3 plus angle 1. How many such angles you are finding here? 1 is finding 2 times, 2 is finding 2 times, 3 is finding 2 times. I am writing it as 2 of angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. But according to angle sum property, what is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is? These are interior angles. Already we wrote here 1, 2, 3 are interior angles. Sum of interior angles is nothing but how much it is going to be? 180 degrees. Since angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is nothing but 180 degrees. So we can write it as 360 degrees. What are these? Angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equals to. But what are 4, 5, 6 are? Exterior angles. So simply we can say here sum of exterior angles of a triangle is equals to 360 degrees. Okay, so by basing on this exterior angle property we can solve so many problems like this, and this is the proof we have proved here. Nothing but sum of exterior angles is going to be 360 degrees. Okay, this is enough for today. Thank you. Have a good day.